Very good morning to all. I'm Dr. K. Jamberi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinaga College of Arts and Science. Now, we are going to discuss the subject of object-oriented analysis and design. We will see the topic view layer interface. The view layer interface, first of all, we are giving the introduction. What is the main goal of the user interface? The user interface to display and obtain needed information is an accessible or efficient manner. A well-designed user interface is visual appeal that motivates user to user application. A graphical user interface, a graphical user interface as with a visual appeal that motivates users to use their applications. The graphical user interface GUI uses icons to represent object, the pointing device to select operations, and the graphic imagery to represent relationship. What are how to design view layer classes? The view layer objects are interface object that only exposed objects or application with which user can interact. There is a user can interact with the system. User can interact with the system. There are objects that represent the set of operations in the business that users must perform to complete their task. What are the two major aspects of view layer object responsible? One, the input responding to user interaction. The user interface must be designed to translate an action by the user. Second one is output. Displaying or printing business object, this layer must paint the best picture possible of the business object for the user. How to design the process of view layer? There are four processes we have to designing the view layer. First one, the macro level user interface design process. Second one is a micro level user interface design activity. Third one, testing usability and user satisfaction. And fourth one, refining and iterating the design. So first on the level macro level user interface design process, we are going to identify view layer object that is interactive with the human actor by analyzing the use case, sequence, or collaboration diagram. The micro level user interface design activity, they are applying the axiom and the corollaries and prototyping the view layer interface. Third one is testing usability and user satisfaction. And fourth one, refining and iterating the design. We are next topic is a micro level process identifying the view layer classes. The view layer microprocess consists of two steps. For every class identified, determine if the class interacts with the human actor, so perform the following. Otherwise, move to the next class. Around the identify the view interface or object for the classes. Zoom and the view object by utilizing sequence and collaboration diagrams to identify the interface object, the responsibility and the requirements for this classes. Define the relationship among the view interface object and identity. Designing view layer classes, there are three layer architecture used for software development, namely access layer, view layer, and the user interface or business layer. The separation of the view layer from the business and the access layers is that when you design of UI objects, you have to think more explicitly about the distinction between objects that are useful to the user. Maybe the user interaction of the represent the set of operations in a business that users must be performed to complete the task. In a way, the five natural I used to remember and use. These are the designing how to designing the view layer process and the direct contact with the outside world or visible interface object. So what are the main aspect of view layer? There are two main major aspects. One the input, second one output. The input user interaction must be designed to translate an action by the user, such as clicking on a button or selecting from a menu into appropriate response. displaying or printing business object. This layer must be paint that best picture possible of the business object for the user. In one interface, this may mean entry field and list boxes. To display on order and items in another, it may be the total price of the customer's order. Thank you so much.